Hello class and welcome to week 13. We have 2 weeks to go and then the semester's over. First of all, thank you for your participation last week as we discussed the family. There was some great conversation and good principles taught, so I appreciate your input and your participation. As we start into this week, we're going to be talking about service. And it's a great subject, a great topic, especially for this time of year as we get close to Christmas. I want to go over a couple things with you. Let me scroll down here. First of all, as we let me just direct your attention to this video clip right here. This is not a church video, but it's a hypothetical situation that shows the true power of service and the effect that it can have on other people. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend it. It's a great little video clip, a couple minutes long, but I think you'll enjoy it. And it sets the tone and the mood for this lesson. The other thing I want to go over was English tip for the week. As you continue to practice your vocabulary, try to use it, not just study for a test, but actually use it for language acquisition, not just language learning. As we quote Stephen Crash in there, you're studying these words so that you get better at writing and speaking them. So try them out in real situations. The other thing with vocabulary, I'd encourage you to maybe start studying all of your vocabulary words, because here in 2 weeks we have our final exams, and your vocabulary quiz is a comprehensive final exam. So you'll want to start looking those words over. Your writing tip for the week, just really quickly, just talking about the difference between adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives primarily modify or describe nouns, whereas adverbs primarily, adverbs primarily describe verbs. And they make our language more expressive and more specific. For example, here you can see we noticed the condition of the family, so we tried to help them. You could jazz that up or make it more descriptive by saying we noticed the destitute condition of the family, so we frantically tried to help them. It makes your language a little more expressive. Your quote of the week is by President Kimball. This is a quote that when I came home from my mission and reported to the High Council, I remember sharing this quote. It was written in my journal, and it's a great quote. And let me read that to you. It's the more we serve our fellow men in appropriate ways, the more substance there is to our souls. We become more significant individuals as we serve others. We become more substantive as we serve others. Indeed, it is easier to find ourselves because there is so much more of us to find. And I know that as we serve, we lose ourselves and we find the true meaning of who Jesus is and what his mission was to serve. And as we all know, service enriches our lives and enriches the lives of others. So that will be our topic, and we wish you well on that. One last thing, your assignments this week, just to remember that you have to report your SMART goal from last week's assignment on the family, and we encourage you to take some time for that. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful week.